So our pedagogy course at North Dakota State is multidisciplinary. All of the different departments that have LAs enroll in our course. So we don't have separate sections for various disciplines for our LAs. And so they're all of our new LAs take this course, and they're mixed in together. My general approach to this pedagogy course is really there are three themes that I focus on in the pedagogy course. First, I want LAs to have an understanding of why we're doing active learning and why we have an LA program. I want them to understand the big picture for having an LA program and why we're trying to implement the type of active learning, collaborative, peer learning that we've implemented in a lot of our courses in the College of Science and Math. So that's the first theme. That's where we start. The second theme is moving on to how undergraduates learn, and so I want them to be mindful of a little bit of neuroscience and cognitive psychology. I want them to be aware of strategies that are evidence-based for learning. So, we talk about how the brain encodes information and how retrieval happens. And so we spend time on this cognitive psychology, neuroscience, so that they have a sense of how undergraduates learn best. And I also think this is really helpful for them as learners. We tend to develop a set of tools for learning and studying, and that works for us, but until we hear about or try new ways, we don't necessarily make improvements. So I expose them to this content for their own benefit as well, so that they can be high level learners, and then also use these are able to share these strategies with the students that they're working with, particularly those students who may be struggling. And then the third theme that I focus on in the pedagogy course is about how to interact effectively with learners. So much of the time that LAs spend working in the program is with interacting with students, and so I want them to know how to interact effectively. So we spend a lot of time practicing those skills and evaluating other people interacting with students, so we can really develop a strong a mindset about how to interact well, but also those skills of actually doing the work. So those are the three themes that we really focus on.